Like, I don't make music just for you, nigga. I make music for the world, nigga. The fuck? You like music. You're a real musician. You just don't have just one kind of music. You have, nigga, you know how to do everything.
Got a sign. Oh, yeah. Have you ever been lied to? Got drunk, got high too. Had sex on the first night, and it was just alright. You just wanna have fun. You just wanna wild out. You just wanna stun on your ex with your next like bitch. Get your heart out. Take me with you right now. Right now. Yeah. Put it on me right now. Right now. Right now. I'm just a freak and I can't help it. Bring your girlfriend, don't be selfish. Tonight is what we make it. You bring it out of me. I'm just a freak and I can't help it. Bring your girlfriend, don't be selfish. Tonight is what we make it. You bring it out of me. Tennessee, got you feeling me? Smoke weed in the club for security. And my enemies. Bottles up, if you get money, where the pretty girls, if you fucking something, Take me with you right now, right now, yeah. Put it on me right now, right now, right now. I'm just a freak and I can't help it. Bring your girlfriend, don't be selfish. Tonight is what we make it. You bring it out of me. I'm just a freak and I can't help it. Bring your girlfriend, don't be selfish. Tonight is what we make it. You bring it out of me. You know what you're doing. You know I can't take it. You know I like it. You know how bad I need every time I see it. You know what you're doing. You know I can't take it. You know I like it. You know how bad I need every time I see it. When you're here, nothing I can do. Nothing I can do. When you're near, I don't have control. I'm just a freak and I can't help it. Bring your girlfriend, don't be selfish. Tonight is what we make it. You bring it out of me. Yeah. 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 You bring it out of me.
Listen up! The new Showmax is streaming for you.
setting. Okay, we're good. The stream was disconnected because of copyright. What? Sheesh. So that's probably like the music I was playing. But I hope everything is fine now. Yeah. Let me get some lofi. Nothing too serious. The usuals. Yeah. Anyway, hope y'all are doing great. Welcome to the stream. Let me just confirm some before we can actually continue. Yeah, we're good. Yeah. What do we have for today? Looking at the, because I'm looking at the, I've been looking at the DXY since yesterday, and then as you can see, DXY bounced off of this order block, but it's more cleaner on the H4, you know, reversing off of that inversion fair value gap and then giving us higher prices. We just reject off, rebalance the whole thing and then just reject off of that. And then now currently we also in another inversion fair value gap. Yeah. Let me just close. Okay, yeah, bounce off. Now we also have this inversion fair value gap here, which I'm expecting price to actually just bounce off of that and give us, you know, more higher prices. No, that's inversion. Oh, forgot I'm twisting the cam too. Yeah. So we also have that inversion fair value gap there. As you can see, price tapped in it. So I'm still expecting more higher prices on the dollar index. More higher and higher prices. So with that being said, just gonna jump on the, let's see on overall what we do, how we do on the day. My swing, I had swing analysis on EURUSD. As you can see, buy side pledged, and then which can be a market structure shift with the BC. Prices came back down, retested this, and then shot up, gave a nice buying opportunity about, let's say, 80 pips plus, and then currently we're around here. Prices came here. As you can see, we have this CB here. Prices went to rebalance that CB. So since I'm expecting more higher prices on the dollar, I should be expecting more lower prices on the Euro USD. So it's advisable for me to actually look for sells if I'm expecting the dollar index to go up. And then moving on to the GBP USD for the day, I've been expecting lower prices on this. Looking at the daily, as you can see, we tapped in back into the weekly CB, and then we have this order block here. We filled in the lower week, the bottom week, yeah, filled in the bottom week of that candlestick of this order block here, and then rejected off of that. And then if we can actually go to the H4, let's see what we actually have on the H4. Nothing really interesting on the H4, but I'm expecting more lower prices on the Gbpjpy too. I'm still expecting to sell. And then going to the Gbpjpy, it's a bit weird with the Gbpjpy because yeah, it's just screaming buys still. And then as you can see here, we also have that buy side swapped, or you can call it a market structure shift too, especially if we close, well, that's a daily candlestick. If we close above this, come back to retest, we still might get more higher prices. And then moving on to a lower time frame, we have this order block here. Prices came back to rebalance and then went up. So I still have a feeling that we're still gonna go for that buy side liquidity there. So buying here is ideal. So we're just gonna switch over to the 15 minutes on the Euro USD. Prepare to, you know, and then we made a high, Asia low. Seems like we had a very busy Asia session, so we're just gonna wait for price. And then let me just mark out my kill zone and dead zone. This is the dead zone, of course. And then I'm just waiting for price to London kill zone to open, and then I'll just mark out those sell side and buy side, and then I'm just simply gonna wait for those to be pledged before we can actually look for any trades. Just gonna move on to the Euro USD too, same thing. Okay, thank you. Gonna mark out kill zone and dead zone, and then there we have our buy side there, and then sell side seems like we've already pledged the sell side, so we're just gonna wait for market open, London open, to see what our sell side looks like. And then looking at the GBP, same thing here. Already have our buy side there, and then just gonna mark out that we have this sell side which is about to be taken out. But I'll just see how that plays out. Just wanna wait for the London kill zone open. That's a buy side. So yeah, that's what we'll be focusing on for today. That's what we'll be focusing on. And let me see if I can do this. What is happening? Yeah, it's a totally different chart. I hate it when it does this. I honestly hate it when it does that. So I think I'm just gonna have to two separate charts. I just put this on this side and have one of them this side. Okay. It might start being a little bit slow because I got both. I don't have a fast PC. It's about time that I actually upgrade. It's about time. No, this is actually way too slow for my liking, so I'm just gonna close this. Yeah, it's way too slow. I don't like it. So just gonna be let me use the trading view app because this is way too slow for me. Looks like we're going on the USD. We're going for that buy side before we even open. 1 minute left. So what I'm gonna do is just gonna have to close this. I'm gonna have to close this down. Let me make sure that I save my analysis. And then I'm just gonna close you. What I don't like about the MetaTrader, maybe I probably just have to update it. It's always out of sync with time. No idea why, but it's always out of sync. Okay, now we're good. It's always out of sync. Let's just do this. Okay. It's always out of sync. I don't know whether it's always my PC or that actually causes the out of syncness. And then I'm just gonna do this, have two. Why is it like this? Anyway, it's alright. We're gonna have EURUSD this side, EURUSD, Gbpjpy this side, and then I'll just have Gbpjpy on the side. Gbpjpy gonna have I don't know how I feel about Gbpjpy this session. I'm just gonna no, that's eurjpy. This is eurjpy. What is going on? eurjpy and Gbpjpy. Yes. Buy side liquidity. Then I'm just gonna wait for this 15-minute to actually close so we can get our sell side. There's our EQ, buy side. And then Gbpjpy, we have open. We have the sell side, I have a sell side here too. Just gonna mark that out too. So we're just gonna wait for any sell side to be swept. Just gonna wait for sell side or buy side to be swept. And on this side I'll just have the Gbpjpy. Anyway, ooh, I did not. Let's do that. Let's close you up before everything gets worse. Okay. But anyway, yeah, Gbpjpy. I'm just waiting for this 15-minute candle close so we can have a proper sell side that we can use, and then Gbpjpy on my other screen. Still waiting for sweep on the buy side or sell side, and then the same thing on the Euro USD too. Just waiting for any of the sell sides to be swept or buy side, but I would prefer, as showed on a higher time frame, is that on the dollar index I'm expecting higher prices still, so I should also expect the Euro USD to give us lower prices. And yeah, so it would be nicer if we get a buy side sweep so we can actually look for sells to sell it off. And then with the Gbpjpy also, I would prefer to get a buy side sweep so we can actually sell it off, as I'm expecting overall sells on the Gbpjpy. But from where it's standing, especially on the daily, let me just quickly do this. Just go through. Let me just share the whole screen. Wait, there's two of them. Okay, so looking at the obviously the Euro USD, I'm expecting this CB to actually hold off and then give us more, lower prices, and finally take out this, and then yeah, that's what I'm actually expecting. And the reason why I'm expecting more lower prices on the Euro USD is because on the DXY I'm also expecting price to actually reject off of this inversion fair value gap and then give us more higher prices, so that kind of gives me like a good confluence for both. And then looking at the Gbpjpy overall this week, I was expecting lower prices. From the Gbpjpy. I still expect price to actually come take out this low and tap into this daily BC. So that's the reason why I would want to see the buy side swept first, and then the Gbp on the other side looks like it'll be buying for a while. So yeah, that's that. Yeah, so far we're just waiting. Literally, we're just waiting to see what the market has for the session. it. Luckily today there's no news, so and it's a Friday. It won't be a busy, it'll be a chilled day. USD finally took out buy side liquidity, so what do? We switch to the 1 minute. And as I hoped that we would take out the buy side so we can look for sells, so that's what we're gonna do. Switch into the 1 minute and then wait for a market structure. There are no news, yeah. There are no news, so we should be good. And then we can finally draw our GBP AUD, our sell side also, and then we're gonna see what's gonna happen. What are we expecting? And then the GBPJPY, I haven't got any alerts of the buy side and sell side. It's also still playing within that range. So nothing exciting. I'm not looking at the GBP AUD. The reason why overall, of course, we're expecting sells, right, on like a daily time frame or whatever. And the only reason why I would actually buy, if we take out the sell, I'll look for buys, is because we have Asia high and Asia low, and we already taken out Asia low. So I wouldn't mind actually buying this because we took out Asia low. And then if a buy can confirm short term, of course, I wouldn't be looking forward to hold it for too long, just aiming for 50 pips as always. And yeah, that'll be it. But we're just gonna see if we actually take out buy side, sell side before we can conclude anything. EURUSD, it is shooting up. That's nice. Give us more room and a proper market structure. Shift. And then Gbpjpy finally took out sell side. It's gonna switch to the 1 minute and wait for a market structure shift 2 here. We just wait. Patience. Be patient. Be patient for your setups to form. It'll be nice to actually see the EURUSD going on to take out Asia high before we can actually get a market structure shift. It'll be nice to actually see that. It would be nice to see that. midnight open. I don't have that. I didn't actually highlight the midnight open. It's literally the same as the EQ. Same price. I don't know how, but yeah, the EQ is the midnight. Yeah, same level. So just use that as a midnight because it's almost the same price. Yeah. It is the same price. And then on the GE, the midnight is all the way up there. Yep. What did I do? Why is it changing text? What's wrong with you? What is wrong with you? I would really like to see this create a market structure shift. If that can happen. Just closed. Let's see. Forget about it. Forget about it. Why is my mic so sensitive to everything? Don't be sensitive. Let me put some filter. Get open. Okay. But if I'll be heard all the time, I'll cut. But yeah, your stream has been what? Don't play with me.